Okay, I want to make this the best possible lighting I can. I don't even know if that's good. Because, like, every time I try, it doesn't work out. Like, this would be good, but it won't stay there. Is this good? Definitely not. The past minute, I've literally just been on Snapchat. Okay. So, I have scissors and a thing. One of those. Oh my gosh, I hate this lighting. Wait, can you freaking work? Look at. What the heck? Okay, look at those things. Okay, it's literally gonna be. My god. Okay. So much better on my phone. Yeah, I could be recording on my phone right now, but it's not gonna work out, is it? Alright. I'm gonna record on my phone. Is this better? I can't actually. Oh my gosh, I think this is a good lighting, to be honest. Ugh, my hair is really messy. Don't look at it. And my nose has stuff on it. That's why it looks whatever. Can't help the nose. My hair is messy. Let's just chop it off. Okay, so I'm gonna do one of those videos that like you cut this open or whatever. I think you have to like cut the string first. I think. I don't know. I've never done it before. I think you have to actually cut the string. I don't even know where that went. Like, I literally went across the universe. So, yeah. Because that makes sense. That makes so much sense. Do I have to, like... Yeah, I don't even know. Because, like, people have been... back in, like, 2015 or whatever... have literally been cutting these. And, like, seeing what's inside of them. This is so weird. What the heck? Oh, I don't even want to cut it now. Yeah, I do. Look at it. It's so weird. Without there's so much hair on them. Oh my god. There's that. This is what it was before. Or this is what it was before. Nope. Okay. This is what it was Good on. Okay. So, yeah. So people literally has just been cutting these open and seeing what's inside. I should get a bowl because I don't know if it's like some sort of liquid. I'm gonna put it. Oh my gosh, I forgot. This phone does not have pause. I'll be back. When you leave. Where's the. Oh my gosh. This video is actually gonna be the death of me though. Yes, I know. I have a lot of coats and sweaters because it's really the only where I can put them because I don't have a closet. Okay, you guys can see. Look how much hair. It fell on the ground by accident. So I don't have a bowl, but I have like a thing that I got at Comic-Con. Yeah, you guys already know that I've been to Comic-Con. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so yeah, I got that at Comic-Con. Doesn't matter. Look at. You can't even see. I need good lighting. Okay. Here goes nothing. I don't know what's in it. No idea. I really want this video to be good. I really want the lighting to be so good. Because if it does not be good, is this good lighting? I think this is terrifying lighting. So, welcome back to my video. Okay. Can my light just... If this is... Like, my camera has to be, like, up here in order for it to work. But, you know, my camera is not... Okay. Like, I want it to be good. Okay, I'm gonna try. Because there's really nothing nor else I can actually put my camera. Unless... Is that good? I don't know. I think that's good. Okay, so... I'm gonna get very frustrated in a minute. Should I just leave it there? Still not good though. Wait a minute. Okay, it's gonna be a different kind of lighting. But like, I really want this to be a good video. I'm trying so hard not to get frustrated. I think this is good lighting, but then when I do like this, it's a terrible lighting. So I want to die. Okay, I'm gonna try. What the heck? Ew. It feels so weird. It's like that slime stuff that's all over YouTube. Look at that. What is that? Oh my god. No way. What the frick is that? That is so weird. It's literally like... What is that? What is this? It's like some sort of goo. Can you, like... It's not working. Can you get out? Like... Oh, my camera moved. Oops. Oh, I really hope I got that on camera. Because if I didn't, I don't have another one, so you're lost. It's literally goo. Can you get off my finger? Sounds so weird. Well, there's the stuff. Right, when was it? I'm gonna pour it on my desk. Should I pour this? It's like, what is that? It's so weird. It's literally like, oh gosh, that fell on me. Okay, let's put that back in before it makes a mess. Or before I make a mess. Can you get off my finger? Like, I don't break this stuff, it's everywhere. It sucks because this is a new sweater too.